Hi friends, today we're taking a look at this retractable key and ID badge holder. So we've got a 2-pack in here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, this is definitely heavy duty. This is definitely heavy duty, my friends. So if you are looking for a heavy duty one, this is definitely it. Oh, wow, that goes, oh my word, that goes really far. Like, it goes out of camera. Like, that is awesome. So very heavy duty. I know I keep saying that, but it is. So you can clip this on if you want. You can also clip something on here. Or if you want to take it off and just use this clip, you can. Here you got your standard clip on here for your badge ID. Very nice. Very, very nice, guys.